into small pieces. Piece cinnamon stick, 1 bay leaf, and 1 star anise, and 1 piece mace. Half cup mint leaves, cut into small pieces. Half cup coriander, six pieces green chili, and 1 teaspoon garam masala. And 700 grams basmati rice. Try to get some good quality basmati rice which have a good flavor and good smell. Turn on the flame and heat a pressure We will now cover the pressure cooker and let the meat cook for half an hour or until the meat is soft. While the meat is getting cooked, we will soak the rice in water for 30 minutes. Then we will wash it 4 to 5 times or until the water is clean and transparent. Make sure to choose a good quality basmati rice. And here is my meat done, and it looks good. The gravy looks good too. One more layer of rice. We will keep doing the same until we finish all the quantity we have. And 10 minutes on a slow flame. After 15 to 20 minutes, switch off the flame, but don't open the lid yet until 10 more minutes. Let it sit for 10 minutes. And here comes the moment of truth. What a smell. I'm so much sure that you're gonna love this biryani. If you just love the Hyderabadi biryani, the Dumm Biryani, the Indian biryani at any nice restaurant, you're gonna love this biryani. I'm so sure about it. Just try it and let me know in comments. How does it taste and how does it smell? I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the thumbs up and leave me a comment. See you again soon. Bye bye.